The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once, in a peaceful village surrounded by rolling green hills, a cheerful but mischievous boy worked as a shepherd. Every day, he took the sheep out to graze on a hillside near the village. His job was important, to ensure the sheep were safe from harm. But to the boy, it felt boring. Day after day, the same grass, the same sheep, and the same silence, he grumbled, kicking a pebble as he sat under a shady tree. One day, while watching the sheep lazily chew grass, a playful thought crossed his mind. Wouldn't it be funny to trick the villagers? He said to himself with a mischievous grin. The boy suddenly jumped up and ran towards the village, shouting at the top of his lungs, "Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf attacking the sheep!" The villagers, alarmed by his cries, dropped everything they were doing. They grabbed sticks, tools, and whatever they could find, rushing up the hill to save the flock. Panting and worried, they reached the boy. But to their surprise, there was no wolf in sight. Instead, they found the boy rolling on the ground, laughing. "I fooled you all," he said between giggles. The villagers frowned. An elderly woman shook her head and said sternly, "Young boy, do not lie about such a serious thing. One day, no one will believe you." But the boy didn't pay attention. He was too busy replaying the moment in his head and laughing again. A few days later, the boy grew restless again. Remembering how amusing it was to see the villagers running up the hill, he decided to play the same prank. "Wolf! Wolf!" he cried out. "Help! It's attacking the sheep!" Hearing his frantic cries, the villagers, though annoyed, ran up the hill once more to help. And once again, they found no wolf, only the boy laughing louder than ever. One farmer angrily wagged his finger at the boy. "You cannot cry, wolf, just for fun. You're wasting everyone's time," he said. The others grumbled in agreement, shaking their heads as they walked back to the village. Now, the villagers were cautious. They started doubting the boy's words. Then, one quiet evening, while the sun cast golden hues over the hills, a real wolf crept out of the forest. It had sharp teeth and hungry eyes fixed on the sheep. The boy froze in fear as the wolf began chasing the flock. Desperately, he screamed, "Wolf! Wolf! Please help! A wolf is attacking the sheep." But this time, the villagers remained in the village, going about their work. "He's trying to fool us again," they said to one another. The boy yelled and screamed until his voice was hoarse, but no one came. The wolf scattered the flock and carried off several sheep before disappearing into the woods. The boy sat on the hillside, tears streaming down his face. He realized his pranks had taught the villagers not to trust him, even when he truly needed their help. When he returned to the village, the boy confessed his mistake to the elders. "I'm so sorry for lying," he said. "I have learned my lesson. I will always speak the truth from now on." The villagers forgave him but reminded him of the importance of honesty. And from that day, the boy became known as the most truthful shepherd in the village. Moral of the story: trust takes years to build, moments to break, and forever to repair. Always be honest and responsible with your words.